Hi everyone, my name is Achimile Matha. I'm a grade 11 learner studying at Murray High School. The type of project I chose was the engineering project, and the category I chose was the electrical and electronics category. The title of my project is the NGG holder. The need or problem defined was to build a cost-effective globe holder that will help householders keep their houses with light on during load shedding. This is important for us to solve because in our communities we have been experiencing load shedding for years. The aim was to build a cost-effective globe holder that will help householders to light any globe during load shedding. The purpose of this project was load shedding has deeply affected me as a student because at times I studied late at night. Due to load shedding, I had to resort to buying rechargeable bulbs. However, these bulbs only lasted for 5 months, resulting in the need to purchase another expensive bulb. This prompted me to come up with a different solution. I conceived the idea of placing the battery outside the rechargeable bulb or a bulb, unlike the conventional assembly where the battery is housed inside the bulb. My belief was that by relocating the battery outside, even if the bulb were to stop working, it would be possible to purchase another bulb separately and continue to have a reliable source of light. The materials that were used were a soldering pen, a rechargeable LED bulb, Euroflux 5 watts, a multimeter, electrical tape, PCB, circuit board, a rechargeable battery which has 3.7 voltage and 1200 current mAh, and also a wire and globe holder. So I did the project. What I did was the rechargeable batteries, which are 3.7 voltage, connected the batteries to the circuit board, and the circuit board was connected. So now I've plugged my project to the plug, so we'll see if it's going to work. And it does. So what happens now, the power from the plug goes under here to the circuit board, and then the circuit board goes and charges the batteries and stores power. And then when load shedding occurs, there's enough power from the battery to light the bulb. So I want to show you. I'm gonna switch the plug off and then try to use the power from the battery. Cut. Now I'm using the power that is coming from the battery. So just as I have recorded on my report, because the battery is full, the brightness of the LED is brighter. And also when I was doing the project, what I noticed what I was told was that in each and every bulb, there's always a requirement that needs to be met. For example, bulbs, not every bulb can light at 5 watts. So what I did was to use a 5 watts rechargeable LED Euroflux bulb. So the project now is that this project will only work on 5 watts LED bulbs. Thank you guys.